Well, my dad's been in the welding industry for about 26 years now, and I've been around it my whole life. When I was in high school, I ended up trying it for the first time, and it just clicked, and it seemed something that'd be interesting as a career, something to do for the rest of my life. I ended up choosing Triangle Tech because they offered an associate's degree in welding and fabrication and all of the certifications that you need to get a job in the field. My experience at Triangle Tech was good. We always had great teachers, great staff, everyone supported you. I ended up starting at DonJon Shipbuilding as a structural seam welder. I worked here for about 6 months, and it was brought up to my attention that they needed pipe welders here. And I learned how to pipe weld at Triangle Tech and got all my certifications, and they put me in for a few pipe welding tests. I ended up passing all of them flawlessly, so that's how I ended up getting the job as a pipe welder. My name is Alex McCall, and I work at DonJon Shipbuilding Repair.
When it comes to welding, no one trains you like Triangle Tech.